Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be talking about how to draw a realistic Afro hair. So this kind of hair is the kind of hair footballer use. For example, Jordan Sancho. I don't know if I'm right, but Jordan Sancho and Jude Bellingham. Yeah, I'm sure you have seen this kind of hair on them. So these kind of hair are mostly used by footballers and some of niggas as well. So if you are interested in learning how to draw this, I will advise you to watch every bit of this video. It's going to help you a lot. And from this kind of hair, you are still going to be able to extract another method of drawing hair from it. So it's going to help you a lot. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to on the notification button whenever to get notified whenever I drop a video. So please. So now let's begin. Introduction on the tools I'm going to be using for today's drawing video, and it will be of squat charcoal pencil. Squat thing. So they'll be the one carrying out today's operation. Not graphite. I will be using charcoal pencil. So here is my charcoal pencil. Sorry, it's becoming too short, like it's already short sharp. So this is the graphite charcoal pencil I'll be using, and this one is kind of darker than this. I already made a video on it, so you can check it out later on different kind of charcoal you can use and how to use them. And also another tools here is the charcoal dust. Charcoal dust will be playing, let me say, 80% of today's video. Like that, you're playing up to 80% of today's video. So I think the next thing to not really much, and I'm having some brushes here to use for today's video as well. So I think and the reference. So this is my reference for today's video. I already made the video as well on how to use your reference for you to get the right proportion, right blending, and right shading method. There is a video on that one, so you can check it out later, and how to make a charcoal dust too with just the homemade materials. So that one too is there. So now I think we should begin the video. So the first thing to do is get your charcoal pencil down and the brush. So I'll be using, for today's video, I'll be using makeup artist brush. This is the brush you can get from makeup artist brush kits. So that's where you can get it. And also I already made a video on type of brush and how to use them. If you are curious, you can check it out later for you to be able to get what I'm saying here. So now I will dab my brush on my charcoal dust. Now we begin. Come on, sir, man. Oh, this is how we'll be going. So now the next thing is the blending. Now you're going to call in your charcoal pencil. This one is lighter. I'll be using the darkest one. So which is this one? This is the darkest one. So I'll be using this one. So we're having that one. Now the taper at the edge of the Now it remains the detailing part. When it comes to this kind of drawing, the only thing that also matters is that your own creativity. You have to be able to create, like for you to be able to think that, okay, I think this is what I need to do next. You have to be able to make your own decision. This is what I want to do next. For this thing to be okay, I think if I add this to it, it's going to make it look more dope. Yeah, your own personal direction also matters whenever you're drawing. So make sure you improvise as well as you're doing it. If it's not resembling it, mean like, okay, from all this learning I've been able to learn or acquire, so what can I do with it? Like, I think I should be able to do something to make it look more realistic. And according to what I always tell everybody, make sure you are not rushing your drawing. You have to spend your time, like your quality time with it, and keep your eyes glued to the reference you are using. That is the only thing that can help you in this kind of situation. Make sure you are checking your reference time to time, like in seconds. Check it out. Like, am I getting it right, or what am I to add again? So your reference should be the one dictating for you. You are not the one to be dictating for your reference. You'll be like, your reference will tell you, I think I have to add this to it. I think I have to add this to it. So whatever you are seeing on your reference, make sure you are doing it. That is the only way your drawing is going to look more realistic. So just follow your reference. Your reference is your tour guide. You follow your reference, you won't lost. If you fail to follow your reference, bruh, you are going to lost and it might not be found again. So that is it. Follow your reference. Let your reference be your tour guide. Yeah. So that is the only way you can survive. So I think, yeah, I'm getting somewhere. Yeah, we're getting closer to getting the job done. Getting closer and closer. So easy. I'm not doing it according to my brain or according to the method I already know. I'm doing it according to the reference. So that's it. And whenever you are going to choose a reference for your drawing, make sure you are using a very sharp reference that you can see everything as clear as possible. So I advise you to always make use of a very clear reference whenever you are drawing. So that will be able to help you to see every bit of detail that's on the drawing, like for you to be able to add it to them. I can't put everything I'm doing here into words, so I'm sure you guys will be able to see as I'm doing it as well. So if you are able to do it that way, I'm sure you're going to be able to get somewhere. And whenever, like, if you are done making this kind of drawing, make sure you don't blend your drawing again. If you have to blend it again, it's going to return you back to square one where you started. Yeah, and that will be good at all, man. So that will be a regret. So make sure you don't blend again. Like, don't blend this drawing again. So that's the end. So just make sure you're doing it. Right now, I'm still trying to pick every single detail on the drawing. So that's what I'm doing. So now to the next stage. The next stage is the outlines, like the edges, the remaining hairs outside. For example, this I'm talking about, all these tiny hair that slips outside. Yeah, this one are going to make it much more realistic, so you have to do them. So these are going to make your drawing looks much more realistic. No, there is no way you're going to draw a hair without the hair going outside a little bit. Like, it's a build of the hair strands, like all those little ones. So that is what it stands for. Yeah, so we are done for today. So this is the end of today's drawing video. I'm sure you guys are able to learn one or two from today's drawing. You're going to be able to apply it to whatever kind of drawing, like this kind of method, or whatever you learn here today. You can be able to add it to the kind of hairstyle you have to draw later, like you can add it to it. So if you enjoyed the video, I will plead from you guys to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of these kind of videos that are still coming later. And then I would like you guys to run the notification button to get notified whenever I drop a video. It's going to be a very helpful one, so make sure you stick to my channel and watch my previous videos as well, because that one too are going to help you a lot. They will help you to improve more than how you expected. So bye.